Hey guys, I got this 12 pack of party streamers and these are so fun. They're great for so many options, whether it be a birthday party, 4th of July, or just because they're super fun. So inside the package here, it does come with how-to instructions. And a great thing with this option is that there's no cleanup. All of the streamers are attached to the popper, and so you're not going to be picking up little pieces of confetti all over. So it's a great option because you're able to do it inside and outside. So on here it comes with a little pipe cleaner holder, and then all you're going to do is rip through the tissue paper on the top. What this is going to do is expose the streamers in here, and then you're going to hold on to the ring here, and all you're going to do is 1, 2, 3 and have some fun. So as you guys can see, there's so many different fun colors here. And there is easy cleanup because it is all still attached here. So all you need to do for cleanup is just grab it and for some more fun in the house, or even just go ahead and throw it away. But this is such a fun option. Go check it out.